One day, little Hedgehog felt sad. He had many sharp spines. No one wants to play with me, he sighed. Bunny tried to hold his hand. Ouch! Squirrel tried to sit close. Ouch again. Hedgehog curled up alone. Then, one day, a big bad wolf came. All the animals ran away. Hedgehog was scared too, but he whispered, "I can do this." He rolled into a ball. He rolled to the wolf fast. Ouch! The wolf ran away. Hooray! Cheered the animals. Hedgehog is brave. Hedgehog smiles happily. Now everyone liked his spines. What helps you be brave? Like and follow.